The announcement just said there was a LBJ train, but there's not even one because it already came, or it's already another one coming early. Orange line. The orange line coming. I'm so surprised. I'm so surprised I hadn't seen one car, red or green line, maybe even blue and orange. I'm surprised I didn't see any one car trains. I'm surprised. Alright, looks like there is no orange line coming. Maybe I lose that. Maybe. What's the bird doing? One minute on our train. And 1 minute on another road. Gosh, our train's gonna be on time. Hopefully Westmoreland comes. You know, I usually don't like coming to West End, but it was maybe we should transfer that to Akron. This is where all yep, here it is. Could that imagine that was 2:04, I would be going crazy. Ready? Alright. 119 is leaving today, as well as 138. Two train double beats. 156. We got a DGNO freight train on its way. Might be passing by EPJ. We can make it. And I hope I see Amtrak there. I'm not sure what time it is. So I should probably check right now. I hope Amtrak hasn't left. Let's see. Maybe it's already there. Oh, looks like Amtrak's not here yet. Maybe it's on its way. What train's this? Is that? It must be either 122 or 125. Let's see. That is 125. that leaves in 34 minutes. I think this train has already came. Well, already arrived, but here we are. There it is. What time is it?